Hi everybody. Them say sometimes you have to take bad thing, make joke, right? We're social distancing, and that is a serious thing. There's no joke in that. This morning though, we are using everyday items to create social distancing couture. Neville and I have a couple of minutes, just about 5 minutes, to make a fashion garment which must scream, I need my space.
So we're making it for ourselves, or I'm making it for you and you make it for me?
We are making it for yourself.
Okay.
So,
Right, so take off.
on the mark,
Hold on, take off this.
get your set, and go. Don't wear this in public, folks. We're just saying, maybe this is a exclamation
Hold on, look at
point.
this, look at that. But I should be making it for summer. Don't?
You can decide. You want to make one for me?
No, but it's not. I think, look at that one, look at that one.
That is couture. All right. Nev, can you hold this for me? Can you hold the tape for me?
Hold the tape.
You just wrap that around me.
I thought you were supposed to be doing it yourself.
Yeah, but
But this is going to come on your clothes.
Don't look out.
Here. That I want to know. Oh,
Yeah, I have a question. Who's going to help me come out of this when the
them say
time
because
is
you cover your mic, nobody not hearing you. So how me all,
done?
they say don't talk.
I'm talking. I just
Oh, me, I'll get
turn
this.
down the mic. Nev, can you take this for me? Come, this is a serious time. We don't play games. Don't put it on my leg. Put it on
On the box.
Yeah. And then
You
wrap
hold
it
this,
around.
hold this.
But I must hold it.
This, I have the box, you hold
Right,
that.
go on.
Wait, no man. All right.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay. You can't breathe.
Okay.
Good, yeah.
The box ain't not gonna work. Me still I try to figure out. Clive, come here, Clive. Come here, Clive. Here the plan. Yeah, tape up. Tape that go all the way. This is Clive, by the way. So Clive have a radio face, which is why we're not too showing him on TV too often.
Finish when you come and secure this.
So when you do that, what am I going to use?
Oh, you just take up the two plans.
Hold on, no? I know this.
Another way. Clive, come help me around here, so please. I thought my derriere could just cut it
Your
this box properly.
derriere.
But happens we lost some of it in the last 2 weeks.
Clive,
Up here, so.
Clive is not me I work.
Clive is working with the two of us.
Yeah, but it's me call him.
Don't be like that. Clive, just. Yeah. Go on the man, you pull. All right, and get me back around that side here. Whoa. Alright. Oh, then again. You know, so me should have stayed in my yard. you know.
Come here, Clive.
Clive, you're the worst. Aye.
Clive, it's me, they call you, Clive. You forget?
So 1 gloves. Alright. We're gonna improvise. No, don't touch me. Social distancing.
No, me.
Don't sneeze on me. I'm not having it. You don't
Well, Clive, you know, like,
It's a joke. Think it's a joke?
no, I don't know why I'm Clive along.
English. Wait, my box is going away.
And just, hold on, no? Just in case, we don't want to get close. me just,
Wait, my box is going.
just in case you don't want to get close. Come, Clive.
Can't breathe. I need this on the floor to finish. Oh, I know that.
Them have no idea what I mean.
Don't make Clive start laughing if I even can't stop.
Yeah, man. Nobody can get closer.
Clive, when you finish, come here, please.
Come do what?
up my costume. Can you put this on the side of my hand for me? Just close pin me. On the other side.
Yeah.
So nobody can touch my hands. And this one on the other side. Yeah. Never like having a problem breathing. I'm just checking if it's me alone.
We have one more thing we want to do, you know.
Just make it right. Thanks. And then pass that red
So,
coating.
my back cover, nobody can
Put it
get
around
close.
my foot.
If you come too close, oh, my scissors are drop though.
Just wrap it. Just go around down the foot part. No. My head all right. Just wrap my foot. Move yourself. Yeah. Nice. Okay. You can just spread that over your whole self like a sheet. Alright. I don't think there's much more we can do. Alright, so guys, it might take me to laugh, but seriously, social distancing is very... Ah! We need to go back on me.
Hold on.
Very important.
So, you see my
6
scissors.
feet away from people. Do not touch, do not hug. Just stay far. Move away now. And then if people still won't leave you alone, then you may have to resort to these kind of measures. See?
All right, so Smile Jammers, we're asking you to vote, but
Wait, Clive, Clive.
you can't even vote because Sim win already. Only thing with Simone is it don't stay together, so your box or your bottom dropping off.
It's not dropping, see?
Of course, see,
It's very much there, said we.
plus I make sure say anybody get close, when we go hospital.
Oh my God, Nev, what?
Yeah, no, when we go hospital,
That's illegal.
and then I
You want
cover
to be safe, not
my
lethal.
back too. There's another place I
You
didn't
like
want to
that
cover up,
circle?
but everything run, everything run out. So
No, so you have some things on the table. Go on. Go on.
yeah, come.
Go on.
We don't want.
Go feed. Go feed.
We don't want anything.
You know, guys, just take the break.
What?
Can we just take the break?
Yeah, we could go for the break.
Let's just take the break. Condom is you're gonna broadcast this broadcast commission
Well, I
social
know.
distance
But,
with over the TV.
No.
We'll be right back, everybody.